Okay.
Don't stress.
What is your, like, I was gonna say your login, your intro, like, hey, what's up?
Hey everyone, it's me, Deja Criston.
Okay. Hey, what? I look like a cheerleader. Hey, what's up, my dudes? So, we are here at Goodwill today. Oh, and I'm here with my friend, Deja Criston. She's awesome. She has her own YouTube channel, too. What is it?
Check me out at Deja Criston.
Yeah. She's super cool. She's all into thrifting and upcycling right now, so I'm really excited to do a collab with her today. What are we doing?
So we're at Goodwill today, and we are going to we're starting a challenge. Right?
Yes.
You want to tell them what the
Okay,
challenge is?
so it's kind of like, I've seen this a couple times, like on Sophia Nygaard, I don't know her last name, but she does like these challenges where you have like an hour to go find something, like a whole outfit or whatever, but I've never seen one for thrifting, only in like regular mall store areas, mall places like Urban Outfitters and stuff, but I want to do it at a thrift store because I hate shopping, but I really like thrifting. So our budget is $35 each, and then also another part of the challenge is that we're both got to find something for the other person, just one thing, but it's really exciting. So yeah, we'll see you inside.
Yeah?
And bye.
Best friends with a genius, y'all. Look at this. Look at this innovation. Innovation station. Hello. Wow, 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 wow. I am into this. Yeah?
I don't know. And I did find something for you, but I don't know if it'll fit around your waist, but we'll see.
What is it? Oh,
I haven't found any pairs of pants. Found like something. Kind of like really dingy, like not what I'm going for. I found this though. And then a lot of like sweaters, but we live in Texas and it's the middle of the summer, so loose clothes. I love this. This is my favorite thing, but I'm not gonna get it because where would I wear this to? My mom would make fun of me. So the first thing I got was this Ducati shirt. I don't know what that is. It kind of looks like a bug, but also like a machine.
I thought it was a bike. I got these white pants to turn into a white skirt for this one shirt that I have.
That would be really cute, a white skirt. I could do it very beachy. I like it. Yeah, I like it. So these were for you, but since you already, I actually got, we said only one thing for each other, but I got her 3. No, I actually got her 4.
Look what I got.
My cat freaking hated me. This is awesome.
I thought it was so funny.
I love it.
You don't have to buy it. I just thought it was funny to share.
I'm not gonna buy it, but
Don't buy it?
I love the sentiment. That's awesome.
Not.
This is the second thing I got for Deja. This is actually our old school uniform skirt. Super cute.
I think I donated that last week.
Look at this.
No. Okay, I've just been seeing this everywhere, like these sleeves.
Yeah.
And so I was like, hey, why not? It's $3. Of course I'm gonna
Crop it.
Yeah.
Just a plain gray top, and I think I would like tie it up or make it a crop top. Wednesday Addams vibes. And the next one, even better.
I was like, is this a little girl's that she wears to church with like her grandma with the big old hat? Okay.
I love the Beetlejuice vibes coming from this. Please show it.
Okay. This one gives me a bit of a headache the way it looks. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
Oh yes.
I don't know. It's just like a guy shirt, you know, like boyfriend.
My boyfriend's t-shirt, yeah.
Yeah, except
not my boyfriend.
I don't
have
know.
a boyfriend. Maybe it's Ivy. Maybe it's a nurse's shirt.
Okay.
Okay.
Is this not like, it's for like maybe like a 5-year-old, like a really big 5-year-old, but like I don't think it'll fit me, but I'm gonna squeeze.
I like it.
Isn't it super cute?
That's
It's a dinosaur. I didn't even see that. Respect the Rex. I love
That's
it.
hilarious. Okay, this one I actually did a little snippet in my video of this, cause you know I don't know when I would wear this.
Deja.
Successful day shopping.
So, it was kind of like a success and not a success. I can't say success. A failure on Goodwill's part, but a win on our part. Because Goodwill had nothing good today, which is super surprising because usually I find like a lot of good stuff at Goodwill. I always find some really cool shoes, like name brand shoes, like Vans and Converse. But yeah, I got some cute stuff. I might wear it, might not. We'll find out.
I'm like, I might. As she was checking me out, I was like, I might pop.
Yeah.
And I was like, it's already, I guess I'm gonna buy it.
Our budget was $35, which we said at the beginning, but mine ended up only being $16, and
Mine was 17.
yeah, so we were like completely under budget because first of all, we didn't get any jeans. Right?
Yeah.
It was just like
It was
t-shirts.
just, yeah.
Yeah, so that was it. So that's why it was so cheap. But we did get I got my first fan.
That's right.
Like walking around filming in the guys' t-shirt or the flannel section, and there's this worker, he came up to me, he was like, so like, what are you vlogging for? Because I'd been there for like 5 minutes. He saw me trying to like set up the camera and stuff, and I was just like, like he's gonna make fun of me if I say I'm a YouTuber. Like, I'm not even a YouTuber, like this is my first video. But anyways, yeah, so I was just like, should I tell him it's like for a school project? I was just like,
oh brother.
I was like, I'm just doing it for fun. And then when we were in the changing rooms, I was in the changing rooms, and he came up to Deja and he was like talking to her too because he had seen her filming.
Yeah.
And so he brought a piece of paper and like asked us to write down our like
Our channel name.
yeah, and so yeah, we got our first view. Awesome, it was fun. I'm so happy. I haven't seen Deja since literally school let out like a month and a half ago, so it was just great to catch up with her because I miss her. She was like one of my best friends at school. My cheeks hurt from smiling so hard from how fun I've had today. But okay, do we have any closing remarks?
Would Def do it again?
Yes,
You
definitely.
guys should try it. We challenge you guys now. Get a best friend, get $35, get an hour, and find a thrift store.
Yeah, that's all for today.
Yeah,
make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you later.
Bye.